Hello Mel.
Hello.
So we've got Mel here today. We've had braces on for the last 18 months or so. This is what Mel's teeth started with, and this is what Mel's teeth are like now. Big smile for us. Okay, so Mel, you haven't seen them yet, so please pick the mirror up and see what they look like.
Wow.
What do you think?
Oh, they look so good. So different.
What do you think this will allow you to do now?
Well, I mean, having a look at them before, like, it's completely changed, like, my face shape as well. So, yeah, really, really happy with them.
Amazing result.
Yeah.
How's the journey been for you?
Very good for me, I have to say. Yeah, no pain or anything, and every time they were tightened, like biting was fine, chewing, so it's been absolutely fine. So
Great.
just lengthy.
Yes. It took some time, but we wanted to get it right.
Yeah.
So next thing is for us to whiten them, and we'll take another video after they're all whitened.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
Thanks for trusting us. Thank you.
Thank you.